You should watch this video if you don't want to lose any free marks in Chemistry ATP paper. आपको सब कुछ आता होगा, लेकिन फिर भी marks कट जाते हैं. ऐसा क्यों? Because you are making these common mistakes. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा common mistakes, their solutions with the marking scheme. Number one mistake, and this is the most common mistake that students they usually make in the ATP paper, especially in the designing question. That is vague method. Students they usually write, for example, add acid and observe. Now, this is not the complete statement. Whenever you are writing down the experiment, you have to write down each and everything. The measurement, the operators, and all the steps which are required. For example, whenever you will explain the experiment in which you are using acid, you have to write add 25 cm cube of acid using a measuring cylinder in the conical flask and then add 2 grams of calcium carbonate and measure the time with the help of stopwatch. Now, this is the complete detail that is required in your designing question especially. Mistake number 2, missing operators. Students, they usually write measure volume. But how? You have to write down the operators. For example, if you need to measure volume, you have to write down with the help of pipette, with the help of burette, with the help of measuring cylinder. Similarly, if you have to measure the temperature, you have to write down thermometer. Okay, we will measure the temperature with the help of thermometer. Similarly, whenever you need to measure the time, you have to write down the stopwatch. And for gases, you have to use gas range. So you have to write down the detail of the operators with the quantity. You cannot leave things for the examiner to guess. Mistake number 3. One of the most common mistake is the student, they miss control variables. In an experiment, whenever you see the relation between two quantities, other quantities, they should be kept constant. So you need to mention those quantities which are constant. For example, in an experiment, you have to write temperature should be kept constant, or the volume should be kept constant, or the concentration should be kept constant. So you need to mention those things which are constant during the experiment. Student, they ignore this thing. Mistake number 4. Whenever we perform experiments or write down the experiment in the designing question, you have to write down this thing, repeat the experiment 3 to 4 times and then take average. Generally, we do this thing to reduce random error, but students, they miss this thing. Kindly don't miss it. Mistake number 5, weak conclusion. Now, this is the most important thing. Students, they usually write, whenever they end their designing experiment, they write volume increases, temperature increases. You have to write down temperature increases with respect to what? Temperature increases with respect to time. Volume increases with respect to time. Rate of reaction increases. So you have to write down the proper words, the proper scientific words. Students, they miss this. So at the end, you need to write proper conclusion with keywords, operators like measuring cylinder, conical flask, thermometer, stopwatch. You need to write down those operators. Key variables, the things that you need to keep constant during the experiment, and proper conclusion. Because ATP is not rata or theory, it's about technique, keywords, and presentation. Thank you so much.